Alan and Ginter time. What's going on, guys? Remy getting back on the video. Got myself a blaster box of 2022 Topps Alan and Ginter. Definitely some nice cards in the front. Look for autograph and relic cards. Hopefully we can pull a mini auto or mini relic. Pretty cool. That's odds on the side of the box. First time opening some Alan and Ginter. 48 cards, 7 packs, plus 1 extra pack. Packs with special insert may contain only 1 to 5 cards. Hopefully pull one of those to 5 cards. That'd be awesome. Alright, let's open this up. Let me find my knife. I do not know where that is now. I just had it. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's get myself either Julio Rodriguez rookie or Chris Bryant or someone. Let's do this. Alright. First blaster of Alan and Ginter. You guys did check out that one video I uploaded earlier. Got myself a mega box of 21 or 22-23 Upper Deck Series 1. Got Drew Ellis right here. That's our last names. Got Jim Thome. Got JD Martinez. Get the bread Italian sub. Makes me hungry for some Subway right now. Get Elise Uraris. Sorry about that. Larry Adobe. Yeah, sorry there's no any holiday boxes right now. Can't find those anywhere. Brian De La Cruz. Josh Wonder. We got a Lou Piniella. That's a nice card. You got a that's a nice card as well. But no, we got a banner season, 1987 AL Rookie of the Year, Mark McGwire. Back-to-back nice cards here. Hold on. There's that card. You got a mini. Some Parallel mini. Oh, Greg Maddux. Gotta get a tab loader for that. Love that card. You got an Eric Bobo. And I'll get there is a set where there's a lot of celebrities in here, not just players. Could be players from other sports too. Got a Yogi Berra. Ronnie Scott. Got Adrian Beltre. There's my dog barking in the background. Alan and Ginter National Hot Dog Day with the Phillies. Some good winners right there. Alright, we got a Noah Syndergaard A&G Mini. Alan and Ginter Mini. McCullers Jr. So the checklist, I do like a lot of the cards this year. Definitely a set to get your TTMs on. I want to try to go for the set. That's a Randy Johnson on the D-backs. Aaron Ashby. You get a J.P. Crawford. Pitching a gem of Bob Feller. For the nice inserts in this set. Got a mini of Hank Greenberg. Nice mini card right there. You get Randy Ozarena. A teammate for MLB The Show 23. I need to make more of those videos soon. Paul Molitor. I know I saw Hobby Boxer for a good price not long ago. Got Max Fried. Brandon Donovan. We got Banner Season 1975 AL MVP and Rookie of the Year. Fred Lynn. That's a common photo to be taken for his cards, but I do like it. We got Inside the Park. Mini. And we got a Richie, do not know how to pronounce that last name. 3 more packs here. I'll have to get a box for these at some point too. We got Ivan Rodriguez. Thurman Munson, nice card. We got a Gary Sanchez. What's cooking? Surprise Rock's face is not on there. Can you smell what the Rock's cooking? Got like a gold like border mini of Heliot Ramos. Nice card, not numbered though. And we got a Frank Thomas, the Big Hurt. 2 more packs. Yeah, I see these at Walmart all the time, so. Austin Riley. Jose Barrios. Banner Season 2004 World Series MVP. Manny Ramirez. Cover for MVP Baseball 2005. Stephen Keevan. And a Bill Mazeroski. Sorry about the camera. Last pack. Hopefully we get something interesting out of here. It's okay, Blaster. I really like the cards. Don't have any of the cards yet, so I can start the set. One of my favorite players. Chaniger. Rob Riggle. We get a Geoff Jenkins. Famous Rivals. Robert E. Lee and U.S. Grant. Civil War. Interesting. Insert right there. Got a Corbin Burns. A&G back as well. You got a Spencer Torkelson rookie. So that's a big rookie right there. That was it for the Blaster. Probably my favorite card of the break. Hold on, let me get it out here. One second, guys. Got them mixed everywhere. There it is. Okay, 1 second. Just Greg Maddox, select this mini card. Definitely a really nice card. Every pack you get a mini. Miss seeing mini cards. You don't get them in Just Bitcoin anymore. Open up a lot of Just Bitcoin this year, like 4 or 5 blasters, at least. Let's see if we got any variants on the back here. I had to pull a rip card one of these times. Never got a rip card before, but I don't think you get any in retail, so I'll have to try a hobby for you guys. Alright guys, there's no variations on the back, but yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. If you guys haven't yet, like the video, leave a comment, subscribe for more, and also might open these up for shits and giggles. 99 Topps, traded in rookies. Josh Hamilton's rookie in there. And I got a 87 Fleer Baseball update. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.